Hello everybody, this is Nicci and she's working with Miro, and today we are going to be doing basic groundwork. All right, here's Nicci with Miro, and the first thing that we're doing is the flex. Oh, you remembered. So what you want to do is you want to go halfway up the rein. I want you to step into that safe zone in the center and make sure your hand is going up to where it would be in the saddle. So that concho is a good place. There you go. And as soon as he gives, you want to release. Good job. What you do on one side, you do on the other. So let him relax and get in the pocket and flex. Excellent. You're going to do that 5 to 10 times each side. Of the forehand, and we want a crossover in the front, crossover in the front, crossover in front. It's going to be button number 1, cross, 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 stop, chin up, and say whoa. Good. What you do on one side, you do on the other. She's doing a nice little loop. Now I want your toes to be in that front safe zone. So move your toes forward so you're right in front of his neck. Right now, you can't make the turn. There you go. Now you can make the turn. Okay, go ahead. Now remember, keep your toes away from where his toes are. So you have to walk in front of him. Control the neck and the forequarters. There you go. Now stand up straight and release. Ooh. Now make him whoa, and I want you to make him back up, please. Now don't step directly in front of him. You're going to actually step towards the side. Back up. Remember, you have to do even pressure, and your toes have to be pointed the direction you want him to go. So back. There you go. And pull and release, and say whoa when you're ready to stop. Good. Yours came forward. He was in much better mood that time. Now to move the hindquarters. Toes have to be pointed towards the back of the flank over here, and you have to walk towards it. And we want to add button number 3. So a little tap, a little tap, a little tap, press and release, stand up straight, chin up, and say whoa, and he will come back down towards you. Good. She's going to make a little loop right here at the top of the saddle. And button number 3, remember, is going to be behind the girth. So keep your toes pointed the direction you want him to go. Tip his nose towards you just a tad. Tip his nose. There you go. And start. And cross, 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 cross. Good. Say whoa, chin up. Good. There you go. That's moving all the body parts. Really good. Thank you so much for joining us. Remember to hit that subscribe and notification button. We're putting out new content every week. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember to hit that notification button because we're putting out new content every week. And check out our playlist. We have lots of content to go through.